channel, Eclectus Extreme. Today I'll be doing an update on my Eclectus parrot, Archie. So he's doing okay. He's really nice. Yeah. Okay, this is Archie, my Eclectus parrot. This is an update on him. Hey Archie! Put some seeds in the cup for him and he's trying to eat them out. He's doing good so far. He's eating and making a bit of a mess in there. He's got his toy shredding that. He's doing green poo. That's his colour. Yeah, we just took the food bowl out. I'm going to feed him in a second. There's his water bowl. And yeah. I know Gary, you're still I think you're still watching this. But yeah, he's doing okay. He's doing a really nice boy. I'm taking him around the house and all that. And yeah, we're going to probably get his wings clipped on Friday. Yeah. Archie! What's he doing? What's he doing? He's so cute. Once again, thank you, Gary. I'm going to get more toys for him. It's just blurred out. Oh, it's still blurring. Yeah. So that's oh, wait a second. So that's Archie. Yeah, he's really awesome. Oh yeah, and I might be changing my YouTube channel soon to Animal Extreme. Yeah, he's really awesome. We're gonna get like a ladder going up, and then another ladder going up to his branch over this one here. And then we're going to have like a few more toys in here. We're going to put one there. We're going to put one in the back corner there because he loves the back corner. And yeah, we're going to put something up the top of there. We're going to get the mic spray for him as well. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and please comment down below. Yeah, it's really fun, as always, listening to people's questions. And I can answer them. Yeah. Hey Archie! He's awesome. Once again, thank you, Gary. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please hit the bell beside the subscribe button. And please like this video and comment what you think. And yeah. So thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you on the next adventure. Ashton out. Oh, and Archie out. Dun-dun-dun-dun.